Bhadresh, question number 9. Bhadresh and Hiral are partners of a firm. Their profit loss sharing ratio is 3:2. Please mark 3:2. On 1/4/2016, the total capital of partners was 4,20,000. The proportion of their fixed capital is 4:3. Now you understood the difference between both the ratio. The first ratio is the profit sharing ratio. दूसरा जो 4,20,000 पार्टनर का कैपिटल है उसका रेशियो दिया है which is 4:3. On this day, balance of their current accounts are as follows. Bhadresh 36,000 credit and Hiral 24,000 debit. As per the partnership deed, per annum 12% interest is payable on capital of the partners. Provide per annum 10% interest on opening balance of current account. Per annum 12% interest is charged on drawings and 2,400 per month as a salary are payable to Bhadresh for his active role in the firm. On 1/10/2016, Bhadresh has withdrawn 36,000 and on 1/1/2017, key dates, please mark it, Hiral has withdrawn 48,000. Extremely important point, 10% commission on net profit is payable to Hiral from net profit, but after deduction of his such share from net profit. Very important, underline karo, after deduction. It's a new concept. Before consideration of the above adjustments, the profit for the year ending on 31/3/2017 of the firm was 4,06,800. From the above info, prepare P&L appropriation account, partners capital account and current accounts as per fixed method. Now, what you will do, again, one page, okay, left hand side for P&L appropriation, right hand side for partners capital account, 5 lines only, and uske niche you make partners current account of around 10 lines. You understood this? You will have to make 3 formats. Is this clear? Okay. Please write proper headings. Now, let's start with the sum. Profit sharing ratio is 3:2, that's fine. On 1/4/2016, total capital of partners was 4,20,000. Now, on 1/4/2016, buy balance bought forward. 4,20,000 is the total. What's the ratio? 4:3. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So 4,20,000 divided by 7 is 60,000. So 6 4s are 24 and 6 3s are 18. नहीं पता चला? 4,20,000 into 3 by 7 and 4,20,000 into 4 by 7. On this day, the balance of their current account are as follows. So in current account, 1/4/2016, buy balance bought forward. Bhadresh, 36,000 credit. So credit side 36,000 and Hiral 24,000 debits on 1/4/2016 to balance bought forward 24,000. As per partnership deed, per annum 12% interest is payable on the capital of partners. All fine, but first let's record the drawings. On 1/10/16, Bhadrej has withdrawn 36,000. Now in current account, 1/10/2016, two drawings. Bhadrej 36,000 and on 1/1/17, two drawings. Hiral has withdrawn 48,000. Now, profit for the year ending is 4,06,800. 4,06,800. All of you understood this? Current account पता चला सबको? Current account का balance पता चला कैसे लिखना है? Be careful, one will be debit, other will be credit. Now, let's start with the interest. 12% interest is payable on capital. Now ध्यान दो, interest on capital भी आएगा तो current account में ही, but the method remains the same. Capital के नीचे interest on capital. Understood this? So on 31/3/2017, by interest on capital. %12. No. 2,40,000 का 12%. 28,800 and 216,000. All of you got this? Partners current account credit, P&L appropriation account debit. So to interest on capital. $50,400. Any doubt हो तो please पूछना मुझे. Deep. Okay. Now next, 10% on the opening balance of current account. Now for current account, you follow the method. पहले हम भद्रेश का कैलकुलेट कर लेते, टू इफेक्ट्स दे देते, एंड देन वी विल गो टू हीरल. इज दिस क्लियर? एक साथ करके फिर क्रॉस में यू मे मेक अ मिस्टेक, सो यू गो वन बाय वन. ये 36,000 बैलेंस के नीचे उसका इंटरेस्ट, सो बाय इंटरेस्ट ऑन करंट अकाउंट 36,000 का 10%, so 3,600. Partners current account credit side, P&L appropriation debit. So we write to interest on current account credit balance. Bhadresh we go to Hiral, उसके नीचे उसका इंटरेस्ट ऑन करंट अकाउंट. So to interest on current account 24,000 का 10%, that is 2,400. Partners current account debit, P&L appropriation credit by interest on current account debit balance. Any doubt in this? पहले इंटरेस्ट रिकॉर्ड करके दो इफेक्ट में मत जाना, you may make a mistake. First do credit, give the second effect, then do debit, give the second effect. Is this clear, all of you? Okay. Now, next one. 12% interest is to be charged on drawings. So again, drawings के नीचे interest on drawings. To interest on drawings. Now, for Bhadresh, 36,000 into, what's the percentage? 12%. How many months? 110. Say 31, 3. 110 means pura October. So October, November, December, January, February and March. Please don't be confident कि भाई हम डायरेक्ट कर लेंगे. हमेशा ये स्टेप फॉलो करना, अदरवाइज वो ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस हो जाएगा. You may make a mistake. 110. So पूरा October, November, December, January, February and March. So 6 by 12. 2160. And for Hiral, drawings is 48,000 into 12%. 1. So पूरा January, February and March. 3 by 12. 1440. All of you understood this? Please be careful about interest calculations, about the months. Directly मत करना, please गिनना on your fingertips. Okay? Second effect दे दो. Current account debit, appropriation credit by interest on drawings. You can do the calculations below the format. Okay? I don't have space, that's why I've done over here. Bhadresh 2160, Hiral 1440, 2600. What next? Salary 2400 per month. So to salary, Bhadresh 2400 per month into 12 months. 288. 28,800. सेकेंड इफेक्ट देना मत भूलना, बिकॉज पार्टनर है भद्रेश. कहां पे जाएगा? उसके करंट अकाउंट में ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड बाय सैलरी. Now we have done with salary. Now commission is a very important adjustment. प्लीज ध्यान देना, इसके ऊपर शॉर्ट सम भी आता है और एक नया कंसेप्ट है 10% commission. Look into this please. 10% commission on net profit is payable to Hiral from net profit, but after deduction of his such share from net profit. इसका मतलब है, पहले understand the concept, then we go for calculation. You will find the profit credit minus debit. You want to give commission here. Now normally in the previous sum what we did was credit minus debit, जो भी आया उसका 5% दे दिया, उसको कमीशन देने के बाद जो रह गया वो पार्टनर्स ने डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया. पर यहाँ पे here it is said that the commission is to be paid after charging such commission. यानी मैं अपने पार्टनर को ऐसा बोलता हूँ कि जो पैसा हम प्रॉफिट का घर ले जाएंगे, ध्यान दो, जो पैसा हम प्रॉफिट का घर ले जाएंगे, जो मुझे मिलेगा मेरे पॉकेट में, उसके ऊपर तुम्हें कमीशन. You understood this? No. See, normally I find my profit into 5% दे दिया, उसके बाद पार्टनर्स को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया. अब ये माइनस करके जो आया उसका डायरेक्टली 5% ले लिया. अब यहाँ पे कंडीशन ऐसा है, जो पार्टनर्स लेके जाएंगे ना उसका 5%, पर जब तक ये नहीं मिलेगा ये भी नहीं मिलेगा. You understood this? फिर से एक बार, सी ये क्रेडिट माइनस डेबिट, तो तुम्हारे पास एक प्रॉफिट आया, उसका 5% निकाल दिया, जो रह गया पार्टनर्स ने ले लिया, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं था. पर यहाँ पे ऐसा कहा है कि 10% कमीशन और नेट प्रॉफिट इज पेएबल फ्रॉम द नेट प्रॉफिट आफ्टर डिडक्टिंग ऑफ हिज सच शेयर फ्रॉम नेट प्रॉफिट. यानी ये कमीशन देने के बाद जो रह जाएगा उसके ऊपर 10%. अब जब तक ये नहीं मिलेगा ये नहीं मिलेगा, जब तक ये नहीं मिलेगा ये भी नहीं मिलेगा. You understood this? Okay, so what we do is, see, I'll make you understand shortly. Before commission, you have some profit. What's the total? Deduct this. Help me with the numbers. 30,000. Exactly. Perfect. 3,30,000 का प्रॉफिट आ गया. मान लो कि इतना कैश पड़ा है 3,30,000 का. अब वो पार्टनर बोलेगा मेरा कमीशन दे दो मुझे इसमें से, और जो बचा है तुम ले जाओ. तो he'll say no, हम जो ले जाएंगे उसका 10% तुम्हें मिलेगा. Now try to understand over here. Before commission 330 minus commission, isn't it? What you get is divisible profit. Understood this? Normal यही है ना वर्किंग, कि कमीशन से पहले प्रॉफिट इतना, फिर कमीशन, फिर डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट. तो 10% होता तो डायरेक्टली 10% हम इसका अप्लाई कर देते, माइनस कर देते, जो रह गया वो पार्टनर्स में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट. बट हियर 10% इज आफ्टर कमीशन. यू अंडरस्टूड दिस? कमीशन देने के बाद जो पार्टनर ले जाएगा उसका 10%. All of you understood this? फर्क पता चला? नॉर्मली क्या है कि 330 आया, उसका 10% दे दो, बच गया, पार्टनर्स ले जाएंगे. पर यहाँ पे पार्टनर जो कमीशन आएगा वो देने के बाद जो प्रॉफिट रहेगा उसका 10% कमीशन. So we are not in a position to find, because this is also missing and this is also missing. Both are missing. So how do we find? We will assume this as 100. If divisible profit, जो पैसा पार्टनर्स घर ले जाते वो 100 है, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा 10, इसके ऊपर 10 रुपए, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा 110. You understood this? Now can you cross multiply and find it? Got it? So what we do over here, whenever commission is after, we will do it this way. 3,30,000 into 10 by 110. Easier way to remember is कि after charging है तो 10 upon 100 नहीं, 10 upon 110. पर ये 110 कहाँ से आया? उसके लिए मैंने तुम्हें ये समझाया. You understood this? यानी हम ऐसा मान लेते हैं कि 100 रुपया कमाया तो उसके ऊपर 10 रुपया वो ले जाएगा, 100 रुपए पार्टनर्स ले जाएंगे तो उसका 10% उसको मिलेगा. तो प्रॉफिट कितना होना चाहिए 110, तो 110 के सामने 330, तो 10 के सामने कितना? Is this clear? All of you understood? Now, ऐसे फुल फ्लेजेड सम में इतने डिटेल में जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. You can directly do 10 by 110. Is this clear? But in short sums, where there are concepts involved, you may go for this method. Is this clear? All of you. Previous sum और ये sum का difference पता चला? Previous में क्या था? 50,000 into 5 by 100. Here it is what? 3,30,000 into 10 by 100, because of this word after. So be careful in exam, because if this is wrong, balance sheet also goes wrong. All of you got this? Okay, very important point. So now what you will get is 30,000. लिख लो. And second effect दे दो, because Hiral is our partner. You may write this in the space in your notebook. This is important. Okay, second effect दे दो. 31/3/2017 by commission. Hiral 30,000. Be careful about the columns. Now, how much profit will partners distribute? 3 lakhs. तो 3 लाख का 10% मिल गया. कमीशन देने के बाद भी 3 लाख ही रह गया. समझ में आया? All done. Find the profit. 30,000 डिडक्शन के बाद प्रॉफिट रह गया है 3 lakhs. So 2 partners current account net divisible profit. What ratio will distribute profit? 3:2. तुमने ऑलरेडी टोटल कर लिया था. What was the total over here? 300. 4,128,00. Bhadresh and Hiral. Do you know how to find 3:2? 3:2 is 3 plus 2, 5. 3 lakh divided by 5 is 60. 6 3s are 80. 6 2s are 12. Second effect, partners current account by P&L appropriation account. We balance it. Now, when we go for balancing, first we'll balance the capital account. इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है. Very simple. 31,317 by balance carried forward. 2,40,000, 1,80,000. By balance brought forward, this will go to balance sheet. As you can see that capital remains unaffected. So every year we will come to know कि capital कितना है और partners ने business से कितना पैसा generate किया. Balance it. Now be careful in the balancing of current account, because current account can be debit and current accounts can be credit. Okay, please be careful about it. We start with the credit balance. Bhadresh, both seems credit. Bhadresh का total is 7,7 200 जो 9 तो कहीं था गया 1,80,000 છે ओके 277,200 उसमें से ये सबको कर देंगे माइनस, so 31,372 balance carried forward to 0,40. Now, Hiral में which side is more? Credit is obviously more, 1,20,000.
170,160.
Okay, 171,600, 171,600 minus all this 9,570. Now we can see that both are credit balances because credit side is more. So we transfer it 1,4 by balance carried forward 239,040,9,570. This is just not the end when you do final accounts. इसके बाद you will have to go to the balance sheet and tally it. Now balance sheet में you will have two balances. One is the capital balances and other are current account balances.